What is going on, guys? Today we are back, and today I have a big box. Well, not big. I have a box that has something in it that I kind of stumbled upon and then kind of realized that it was something that I needed desperately. Inside of it, I was already way too horny and I just had to open it up. But basically, this is what it is. Now, if you guys know Jeeps, you probably know what this is, but if you don't, then you probably have no idea, or you probably just read the title of the video and know exactly what we're doing. Let me put the Jeep up in the air and explain to you guys why I'm doing this. So I'm gonna do my best to explain this as much as I understand it, because I'm struggling to understand this as well. So right on the back, I'll try and circle it since I don't have any hands. That is the transfer case, like what shifts the actual transfer case. And then if you follow the linkage, it goes up to a bracket, and then that bracket goes up to my shifter. So what happened is I did my body lift, and that made because it's a type of Z linkage is what everybody calls it. It's like a zigzag whatever. So because I did that, it made my shifter, when I'm in 4 low and I'm articulating and like I'm twisting a lot, it'll just pop out of 4 low. So that's the main reason I decided to do this, because there's no point in me having a 4-wheel drive vehicle when my 4-wheel drive doesn't work.
Get in there.
I got my trusty helper, Billy Sargent. He's gonna help me turn some wrenches here.
Exactly, ratchet.
Well, no, I got a wrench. Okay, I need the creeper.
Shut the fuck up!
Billy, I need the creeper.
No. Let me get on in here, this Jeep.
Okay, I need...
Ricky,
You really fucking...
I gotta get underneath this frickin' thing.
All of this linkage that goes down there is all of what is coming out, so it's very hard to show. But it goes right up there.
Okay, after painless hours laying on the ground, I got, here, can I set this? There we go. So this is the stupid Z linkage that I am replacing because this is garbage.
No.
You guys stop talking for 5 minutes so I can film my goddamn YouTube video.
You smoking creepy garlic sauce.
Okay, that can't go in the video. That's just fucked. Okay, I'm gonna do my best, but it's very, very difficult to show. So I've got this bracket done up here. I think this is the way it's supposed to be. I'll figure it out. And then on the other underside of the drive shaft, I got this one done here. Now there's something that's gonna be going to the transfer case, and it's a big cable. It's gonna run from here. It's gonna loop through here, and then it's gonna come through here and then up to my shifter. Oh my God, I hate working on the ground. After very difficult times, it is hooked up. I'm about to go check if it works. The only issue is, so these thread on, the threads were too long, so I had to cut them 1/4 inch so they would thread on and they would work. I'm gonna go see if it shifts, tighten up these bolts, the other one on the other side, and then the other one on the other side. The best way I could show this for you guys was on my phone, just due to the fact that I can't fit a camera on. Where is my 9/16 wrench? Oh, there it is, got it. Oh. I am a very messy worker. Oh, I got rust in my lens. Oh, that hurts. But the moment of truth is if my work actually paid off. I know I look like a goon. Okay, I'm gonna get in just for the sake of it working. Okay, well, that can't be there. Okay, so we should have 2. You gotta be shitting me. Okay, minor mix up. I think we're good now. And I do this all in one go. Oh, I really, really hope that this works. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, we got 2, 4, neutral, low. Oh, 4 days. 4 days it has taken me Oh my god, I gotta get the bigger camera out now. I do apologize for having to film. Is my lens dirty or just not focusing? There we go. I apologize having to film this video on my phone for half of it because it was just so difficult. It is 10:14. I thought it was, oh, it said 10:41. It is 10:14 at night. I'm tired. The cable is installed. Once again, I'm at the end of the video and I just realized that I don't have a thumbnail. I gotta crawl underneath and try and take one on my phone. But can we just, let me just get a flashlight on it, like. 4 high, neutral, low, neutral, high, 2. It has taken me forever, but I did it. Now I gotta figure out how I'm fixing my skid plate, because now all the bolts are fucked. Welcome to shitbox life. It's fun. It's really fun. I'm dirty. Once again, this is the 4th night, I think, in the Jeep. Also, my speedometer, or my odometer says 174,000 1 kilometer. This thing's got a lot of life left in it, and I'm excited for next summer. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I will have my skid plate fixed by then, because I still got a lot of work ahead of me. I'm not doing it in this video. I'll put the link to what I just bought in the description. I think it's worth it. We'll have to test it on the trail come summertime, but fuck, this feels so much better than the junky linkage that I had before. I will catch you guys in the next video. Enjoy your day, enjoy your night, and enjoy your afternoon. I'm very tired. Good night. Boosh.